Hello, and today I will say about my truck. This is my new truck. Here's the Max. It's have wheel here. It's like when the dump truck. When you put standing here, it will dump. This can do like this. When a little pilot is making, you can do this. Oh, you can see it can do many controls. It can do as them. Okay, they have very strong wheel. The wheel have 4 wheels and the dump. It is the boom. The boom is to sit and relax and drive the car. Truck. There is a motorcycle. When you are done with your work, you do not have a house. You can sleep here. When the clock here ring ding ding ding, you can go out. This truck is very colorful. The dump is red and all this are black and here are black, yellow. Oh, many colors, but this truck have only red, black, and yellow. It does not have blue, red, or purple. That's all. My little brother likes this truck. He likes the dump because it's red. He can look at white and black and red. Here I have a door. It can sit in here. Okay. Over here. Yeah. I will set for you to see. Here you guys. Here the door. You can sit and relax. You sit. You can drive the car. Even when you do not drive the truck, you can sit there and hear music. Here you have a very comfortable seat, and then you can see 2 people at once. And you can have music too. Outside is raining. It is very, very loud. Sorry, you guys. This dog will head for the dump truck. When it's dumped, the truck, everything in the truck, like sandwich and trash, will go out of the cart. If the dump is full, you can use the hard dump. The hard dump is the electrics here. When you dump it down, you will have a cartwheel. See? You can see all of you can make a house. This dog has no cot. When it sleep in the afternoon, it will sleep here. When it sleep night, it will have a cot. Okay, it can sleep here, or here, or here, or here, or here, many times. We have many of them to sleep. You can also sleep here, and here is the seat. Okay, now for the dollhouse truck. This truck can balance. Okay, this for seat, this for seat, this for seat, this for the bedtime. When you are very, 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 very sleepy, you can sleep here. Or you can sleep here too. Just take old rats here and here. You can sleep here. Deep. This dog likes to do ballet. He likes to do ballet, and he will so perfect in the air. Oh, a top. is a very difficult lesson because it's have this. It's the right socks. Socks is one of the best socks in the world. Okay. She likes to sit here with team or resting for the other men, and she can sleep here too. One is here and one is here, or one is here. When it's raining, she will sleep here. When it's not raining, she will sleep here. And when it's do not rain, she can sleep here too. There's a 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, 4 bedroom, 5 bedroom. This truck has 5 bedrooms for all the dolls to sleep. I have many dolls in my doll house, but I like one of these. It is a small doll. It can drive the truck. Here, it can sit here, relax, or here, or here. It's a many bedroom and sit. It can do gymnastics too. This is ballet and it has to do cutting. When it's raining, it will have a roof. It will it's around, the roof will disappear. That are my video is to review the truck, my truck. This dog can have many bedrooms, 5 bedrooms, you guys. Here. She will do like this too. It will not have a cut, but it's very easy to lift it up. Okay. Truck review is 6 or 7 minutes. Now it's too long, and I'm sorry, it's very long, and bye.